Current hex cost really is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Hex cost examination sort of is negative today in a truly significant manner. First help level for hex explicitly is at $0.030 in an unpretentious manner. 31 July 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through hex cost examination for now, or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on some things, facts, what for the most part, is certainly momentary cost expectation for hex, certainly is hex a wise venture, which really is genuinely critical. Hex help and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the hex specialized examination, generally led us by and large discussion about the essentially current economic situations, so hex help and opposition levels, and so on in an extremely significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,177,517,732,560, which explicitly is very critical. The by and large complete exchanging volume especially remains at $30,011,818,165, which really is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely critical, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%. All things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking, various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere around 2.36, and as of now exchanging at 70 cents. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which really shows that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part is very huge. These occasions essentially show that the market generally is going in a descending course for present moment, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Right now, a by and large broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally is very huge. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. Further appearance how right now, a genuinely broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly shows that these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a really descending heading for genuinely present moment, which by and large is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants explicitly become move fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting that help for the most part is a level at which purchasers sort of become certainly more beautiful dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market basically is going in a kind of descending heading for present moment, which especially is very critical. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The in every way that really matters, day-to-day outline of hex, for the most part, shows that the hex cost certainly has a kind of descending development, with a 1.19% diminishing in genuinely beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the hex coin basically is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, showing how which for the most part, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, showing that market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,517,732,560, or so they explicitly thought. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 31 July 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath, showing how hex value investigation hex cost investigation for 31 July 2023, inside and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEXRSI, moving fundamentally normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the hex.THEMACD line, basically is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid. Or so they by and large thought. Hex financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day outline, in a sort of huge manner especially. Hex by and large has a barely the closest obstruction of $0.036, which generally shows that help generally is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Which in every practical sense, shows that these occasions basically demonstrate that the market, all things considered, is going in an extremely descending heading for fundamentally momentary in an unobtrusive manner. A bullish breakout and this opposition level would generally help the upswing energy, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039, sort of additional appearance how 31 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through hex cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense. Got clarification on some things facts. What generally is certainly momentary cost expectation for hex, for the most part is hex a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers fundamentally betray the hex, the generally bears could handle the market and by and large take hex cost beneath the pivotal help level of $0.030, showing how 31 July 2023. In this video